Nothing there. Nothing there. I do not see where this control line comes out. I mean, leaving this pin floating would be bad. I mean, it's obviously been wired. Oh wait, what's that right? Okay, this little spot here is not just a spot, it's actually the connection for the control line. My bad. So it's this first wire running along this edge here, which heads halfway across this card. It's that via right there, which goes up and around to that via, which heads over to that. Which heads up to that via, which then heads back to this guy. So if I followed this correctly, this pad right here should be hooked to which that goes to here. That then flipped up to here, which that flipped up to there. Okay, so what do I got left on here that I need to putz with? I got a pair of 138s here, a 7432 here, which probably has something to do with this chunk of logic. The microcontroller, processor, whatever you want to call it. Clock circuit. Another 138. They really like these 3 to 8 decoder chips. 122, 240. I think I'm getting pretty close to where I need to just basically sit down and decode the address map for what's left. So all these chips on here are sort of on a common data bus, or I'm relatively sure they are. I want to poke around in here because they might have split this chip into 2 data buses. One, which is the sort of control store, memory store data bus, and the second one, which is all the accessories, which is all the LED drivers, keypad and LED drivers. If that's the case, it makes some things easier and some things more difficult. So before I call it a night, let's see where this goes. So I know it